How's it going, guys? Today I will be removing my Petcock from my old gas tank to my semi-new gas tank. And yeah, I'm just going to be transferring it from here to there. I'm pretty much done with this gas tank, trying to repair it. So a friend of mine gave me a pretty good one. So let's see how it works. Let's do this. Okay, let's get this party started. There we go. Now we need to just remove this. I am using a 8mm long socket. You could probably use a quarter inch drive for this, but I'm not sure what my extension is. So righty tighty lefty loosey. There's gonna be two bolts here and here. Okay, pretty simple. Okay, got that one cracked. Okay, got that one cracked. Let's see how easy this is to remove. Oh, not too bad. Pretty easy. Okay. Okay, here's the other one. Okay, okay, now this is the internal filter, and it has looks like a O-ring on here, and it just fits on just like this. So the screen looks pretty dirty and bad. I'm gonna see if I can replace it, this old filter and this O-ring, since this O-ring just looks pretty smashed. So I'm not gonna reuse this. Okay, this is how it looks. Simple, just like that. Put it in. Boom. One simple O-ring. Keep it from leaking. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna get a new filter and O-ring. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Here's a new O-ring. It's I guess, I don't know, a special O-ring or whatever, but I'm sure you can use any kind. So I'm gonna put the part number for this in the description down below. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna clean the Petcock. And oh, by the way, the parts store didn't have another one of these filters. It was out of stock, so I am just gonna run without it. Since I have an inline fuel filter, it should be fine. This is what an inline fuel filter looks like. Okay, and we're back. Okay, let me open up my bag to my O-ring. Here's my O-ring. Nice and shiny and new. Pretty thick. Just put it in just like this. Fits right in that little puka. Seems a little loose. I was hoping it would be a little bit tighter, but I guess not. See, it sits a little bit higher. So when you screw it in, it's going to compress it. I guess it's going to spread out evenly, hopefully. Okay. So now I have my Petcock. Make sure it's on the right way. Not this way, but this way. Okay. I've put some blue tread lock on my bolts here. Okay. Screw that in one at a time. Let me see if I can get a better angle for you. Okay, what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and tighten both sides at the same time. Okay, it's either going to make it or break it. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. Here we go. I am not sure of the proper torque on this. But I'm sure it's a little bit before breaking point. Okay. And if it starts leaking, I'm gonna tighten a little bit more. But that should be it, guys. It didn't take too much to remove it, so that's it. It's installed. As you can see, there's a small little gap here. Kind of don't like that. Oh, it looks kind of loose. Looks like it needs to be a little bit tighter. Wow. That would have been a disaster. Okay, let's make this tighter. Okay, that's it. That should be good. Alright. Let's put some gas in it and see if it leaks. Okay guys, here's the moment of truth. Put some gas inside. See if it leaks. Hey, it's not leaking. Awesome. Good job. Let's see if the Petcock works. Hey, where's the gas? Oh, there you go. Good. No leaks. Awesome. Okay guys, that pretty much wraps up my video. Doesn't leak, so that's good. Really appreciate everybody watching this video. If you like this video, let me know in the comments, or you just give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't like it. Alright, as always, thank you so much for watching again and again. Aloha and take care. And remember, if I can do it, so can you.